Okay. All right, sissy. Okay, I'm recording here. Winnie, look at me and say Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Okay, are you still putting out gifts?
Yes.
Okay, see if there's any more there for Gina. Gina?
Yes, ma'am.
Honey and Brian, you guys want to say Merry Christmas?
This one's for
Hey! Hey, Vito. How about you? Merry Christmas?
Merry Christmas.
Get a Merry Christmas out of you?
Yes, Merry Christmas.
Okay, Gina? How about a Merry Christmas? Okay.
Merry Christmas.
Oh, are you making sure you're getting them all out?
Yeah.
On
Okay.
the back I can see.
There's a lot of presents, I think.
All right. Wow, Winnie, you've really got a stack there.
Those are Winnie's over there? Are you kidding me?
She
Gina?
says Merry Christmas.
Gina, do you love your mama?
I love my mom. She's my ride or die.
I'm your home girl.
Home girl.
I'm your homie.
Hacking all
All right, sissy.
We've been kicking it on the down low.
That's right. Hey,
Low
two
down.
trailer park girls go around the outside. Around the outside. Okay, Gwinners. Winnie, could you just stand there for one quick minute, please? Because I'd really like to look at your outfit. Let me see. Turn around here and look at me.
Model.
Yeah, you really got a nice outfit on there. And look at those ruby. Uh-oh.
Mom.
Do you know who wants those shoes, don't you?
Shine in on this.
The wicked witch over
Shine
there.
in on this.
He's,
Who's that?
what's that? the
Gina.
rest? That's
me.
Gina, yeah. Come up closer. You're wearing a picture of Gina?
Ain't I
Oh.
cute?
Look at me, sissy. Say Merry Christmas. Wink at me. Wink at me. Give me a wink.
She's like, wait, please, open
All right.
presents.
Go ahead. Wait a minute. There's one another one back here.
I know that's Gina.
She's still finding presents, Gina.
Hey, selfie.
Pretty trees.
Mama
A
lost
pretty
her dog.
Christmas tree. Huh?
There she is.
Okay, are you girls ready to...
Open up.
Yeah, are you?
Yahoo.
Okay, get one.
Mom, just get, you can get all her.
Okay.
'Cause I want her
I'll
for
get.
Jessie
I'll
Ray.
get.
On the middle there. On the video.
Oh.
Camera shot.
Oh, I'm gonna come back to him now
Mama,
then.
look.
What you got that? What is that? Do you even know what that is?
No.
Sissy, that's a Rubik's Cube, and I tell you what, I'm gonna see how smart you are. Okay, put it up. How about the other one? What, Vito?
I hope she can read.
Well, get him out. Yes, yeah, Vito's got a present down there too, Gina.
Get it, Vito.
Brian,
Please stay there.
could you get Vito's present from underneath there?
No.
He's got another present?
Yes, it's the... No, he doesn't have it.
Try and open more.
It's the one out here in front, Vito, I think.
Let me see if I can.
Brian,
What's this here?
would you please do me a favor and figure out the gift situation over here underneath the tree? Because Winnie was supposed to do that, but she's missing some or something. Okay, whose is that, Sissy?
Gina's, Brian.
Whose is that you got there?
Mine.
Okay. All right, Gina,
Yeah.
Really, Mama?
what's going on, girlfriend?
Over there, Vito.
Yeah?
Mama, for
I'm
real.
lost in the commotion.
What? Say what, Gina? Wait a minute, baby.
He's playing.
What was that? Yeah. What was that? Okay.
We're lost in all the commotion.
Alrighty then. Oh my goodness. What have you got there, girlie? Let me
You
see.
got it.
Oh, I should know. I think Santa Claus brought it, didn't
Wait,
he?
let me see it. Let me see it.
Okay. What you got there, Brian?
Brian's got a gift for you.
Gwynny. Okay. Where's Vito's? Vito has got one. I think it's here in the front,
Vito, what's
Brian.
down there?
That little square one right in the front. Is that Vito?
Tell Vito why he's down there.
Okay. And while you're down there, kick it in. Kick it in.
That's Ethan.
Okay. What have you got there, Gina?
I love it.
Brother.
Do you really like
Yeah, I
it?
really do. Yeah, it's
It's a long and it's got that